What's up, guys? So Ptfs new update just came out, and you guys cannot believe it. They added landing gear. First, I'll show you the new 767 model, and then I'll show the landing gear. As you see, we got a lot of new liveries added to the 767, and we have all sorts of from Air Dingus to Scandinavian. These look really nice remodels. And they also added the Air New Zealand old livery. Wait, shoot, my bad. Got it wrong. But yeah, let's just spawn in the let's do the Air Canadian or Air Canada. As you can see, look how nice the remodel, especially landing gears. They look very nice and well remodeled. If we just go in here, looks like a nice remodel. That I guess not. The cabin isn't really remodeled, but if we go into the cockpit, look at this. It's very nice. In fact, it's just like look at this. This is very well made. And yeah. Then after that, let's go see the landing gear animation. Also, something I forgot to say. Not every airline variant has no winglets, but some do. I'm pretty sure the Delta one has one. But yeah, let's do takeoff and see the landing gear animation. Just speed this up a little bit. Alright, let's get a butter takeoff right here on a really good smooth takeoff. Alright, that was a pretty good takeoff right there. But yeah. Yeah, and then after that, let's see it. No, what? Wow. Look at this. Look at these animations. Wow. Wow, these are very nice animations. And I am pretty sure that not every plane has landing gear animations like the older ones, including the Dash Q400 and the CRJ. But mainly every airline has it. And yeah, let's do a landing now. Yeah, we'll just speed this up a little bit. So I'm not gonna waste you guys' time. Alright. Now we shall start deploying the landing gear. Look at this. Wow. This is very nice. I really like these landing gear animations. Alright, let's try to butter this. Oh, a little bit down, but yes, let's do this. Butter on the 767. Let's do this, guys. Can we put in some I don't know. Also, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, rate my landing in the comments. Yeah, pretty low on approach though. Alright, what did y'all rate that landing? Was that good? What would y'all rate that? But yeah, that's what oh, looks like someone joined me. But yeah, this is the 763 model and the new landing gear animations. And yeah, I talked which aircrafts have it, and yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.